Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Bente, and if this is your first time, feel free to look around my channel and consider subscribing if you like what you see. But if you're an oldie but a goodie, thank you so much for coming back and welcome back to my channel once again. And today I am making some peanut butter soup. Okay, peanut butter soup is a Senegambian dish, well known. Almost a lot of Africans cook this particular dish, and it's very delicious. But not just that, it is super easy and quick to make. Okay, and yeah, if you would like to see how I make this, stay tuned and watch the rest of the video to hit on that like button. Okay guys, so here are some of the ingredients I'm going to be needing, and I have my meat. It is well cleaned, and I also have some peanut butter. This is creamy peanut butter, okay, and it is, I think I have about 3 cups of peanut butter, and I have some vegetables, which are bell peppers, onions, and I also have some habanero peppers. So today I'm going to be cooking on my portable stove, and I have my meat in my pot, and I'm just going to pour some water into it, and I am using 10 cups of water for the amount of peanut butter that I have. Okay, so you don't need a lot of peanut butter because this thing is going to get thickened. But yeah, I got 10 cups of water, and I'm just going to leave that to come to a boil. So as I'm waiting for the meat to boil, I am going to go ahead and blend some vegetables. And as you can see, I'm blending only 2 habanero peppers because I don't want it to be too spicy. The remaining peppers I'm going to add to the soup later. So we're going to put those peppers aside, and as you guys can see, I have some tomatoes as well, and we're going to add that to the ingredients we're going to blend because you need that tomato. And you can use as much tomatoes as you want or as less as you want, but it's better to use more tomatoes. We are done blending, and we're just going to move to the next step. And as you guys can see, at this time I forgot to hit on record, but I already put my peanut butter in the pot just after it started to boil. Okay, and we're gonna leave it there and be stirring at the same time because you just want it to kind of melt inside the hot water. And as you guys can see, it is boiling already, and we're just stirring and let it boil, stirring and let it boil. Now I can add my peppers to it. Okay, these are optional. These are for people that like the extra spice but don't want to cook the soup too spicy. So it's been boiling for about 10 minutes, and now I added my blended ingredients, and as you guys can see, I did not add all of it to it because I think I blend way too much, so I only added half of it because you really don't need a lot of onions. Now I am adding some tomato paste. Like I said, you can never have too much tomatoes into your peanut butter. But yeah, I added 4 tablespoons of tomato paste. And this tomato paste is going to help us give this peanut butter soup a very nice color, like a red color. But you guys are going to see all that later. Yeah, we're gonna let it boil for some time, and at this point it is on high heat, you know. The color of the soup is already changing, and it was splattering as well, so I used my splatter screen to just cover it a little bit because sometimes some of the soups that I be cooking, the African dishes, they splatter a lot because we kind of like, I don't know, maybe we cook on high heat first before bringing it down to low heat. But yeah, I use my splatter screen to just cover that up as it boils. You can see it's getting thicker and thicker, but not too thick. But yeah, now I'm gonna go ahead and add my Maggi cube, and I added 2 Maggi cubes. By the way, I added some salt to the water when I was boiling the meat, just a little bit of salt. So just add everything according to your taste when it comes to salt and pepper, okay? Yeah, we're gonna keep stirring because we don't want this to stick at the bottom and get burnt. So as you cook, you're gonna have to be doing a lot of stirring. If not, your food is gonna get burnt, and the worst thing you can have is a burnt peanut butter soup. So we're going to leave it to cook now on medium heat, and at this point I am adding some lemon. Okay, this is a must if you're cooking Gambian or Senegambian peanut butter soup. It's a must. I add half a slice of lemon. It's going to give it a very nice taste, and you're going to see a difference if you put the lemon there. And I'm just gonna let it cook, and now we're going to leave it on medium, and as it's boiling you're going to see the oil pop up. Look at that. Okay, look at the oil. It is coming. You can see on the sides the oil from the peanut butter is coming out, and this is healthy oil, so there's nothing like, oh, it's too much oil or something like that. But you can maybe take some out and throw it away if you want, because this is natural peanut butter oil that is coming out. Okay, but yeah, at this point we're going to give it about 10 more minutes and cook it on a very low heat until all the oil that we want to release from the peanut butter comes out, literally, and you're gonna see that in the next step. Yes, guys, this is so delicious, and you might want to try this if you have never tried it. Like I said, it is healthy. It is healthy, and you can enjoy this with your rice or your fonio. Some people call it findi, but yeah. And look at all the oil that came out, and look how beautiful this peanut butter soup looks like. Listen, I took this to work one time, and people was like, they was biting their fingers, like they was biting their fingers. Okay, anyways, that is it for this video, and I hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you do, please consider subscribing and also like this video so other people can see it as well. Don't forget to share. Until I see you in my next one. Bye.